So welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now, I'm just in the process of checking on the top box that we have installed. I'm just recording this on an iPhone, so hopefully the wind won't be too bad. Obviously now the wind's coming up. I am wearing my bee keeping stuff because the bees were a little bit cranky today. And as you can see here, I've taken the side window off just so we can have a look inside. And I've also swapped out the two frames, the two outside frames I showed you last time that didn't have any foundation at all. I've just taken them out and you can see some bees on there, but they haven't built anything. So I've swapped those outside frames for some frames with just a little bit of foundation on each side there, just to give the bees a bit of a start. And now you can see, I'll try and get out of the light for you, and you can see what the bees have done. And you can see what the bees have done here with the frames that were next to the flow frames, the foundation frames, and have a look. They're already checking out the new frames that I've just put in. There's one there inspecting it, seeing if it's any good. But there is a hive of activity in the top box now. And you can see what the bees have been building there. I might check the other side and I'll show you how it works. You can see all the bees there. I have been a little bit aggressive today, but maybe it's because I have annoyed them a little bit today. I've pulled those two frames out and replaced them with those frames that I just showed you there. Put some of these bees at the front of the hive there so they can go back in. There you go. Probably just annoying them more now. There you go. But just trying to show you that without the reflection. That is the activity in that new box that I've only just put on. I can't see it being too long till we'll be harvesting some honey out of that. Have a look at that. I might close up that window now and we'll check on the other side to see how that's progressing. So these frames here I'm going to use in one of my other hives once the bees get off them. There's the little window that goes in the side here. It's just like that. So let's try the other side. I'll go around the back so I'm not annoying them too much. You can't. Yeah, see, this is why I get rid of the spiders on there. I don't want my bees, oh, that's stuck a bit. So let's try. So you've just got those two. Now I did the same thing there. I've put the new frames in with a little bit of foundation, and have a look at that. It's just full of bees. I'm hoping this is showing up on the camera, and there seems to be a lot of bees checking out the new foundation already, the new frames that I've just put in. It seems like they've calmed down a bit. They're still a little bit cranky with me, but I think they've calmed down. Let's put this back in, leave them alone. There you go, that easy. Give you a closer look at the front of it. Pretty happy with that. If you enjoyed this quick little video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.